Hey everyone. Ooh, look at this hair. Hey everyone. Whoa. Hey everyone, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got and see me try it all on, keep on watching. Okay, so it literally feels like forever and a day since I've done a Stitch Fix unboxing. I had a box in December, but due to some family stuff, if you've not watched my video, we had a death in the family, and there's no time to even look at it or film or anything. I didn't even try it on. I didn't even open the box. I ordered another one, and I'm excited to see. If you're interested in Stitch Fix, go ahead and hit the link down below. It's a subscription service that sends you 5 pieces of clothing for a styling fee of $20 every time that you get a box. You can tell them exactly what you want or what you're looking for, and you can go ahead and try them on in the comfort of your home and send back anything you don't want. If you purchase anything, that $20 styling fee goes credits to your account. If you buy all 5 pieces, you get an even bigger discount. So did I explain that right? It just feels like it's been so long. If you want any more information, I'll leave it down below. Okay, so this month I've had a new stylist the last few times, and he's been great. But ever since before Christmas, I have really amped up my workouts. So I wanted new workout stuff because I kind of was running kind of low. My hair is like kind of all over the place. So that's what I asked for. And I wasn't really specific. I just said I wanted new workout clothes, and I've never asked for like that kind of stuff from any of my subscription boxes. So it'll be interesting to see what he sends. Where's my card? Here it is. So oh, I have a new stylist. So it's Chelsea. I had a guy before. So let's see. It says, "Hi Sarah, Happy New Year. I'm so sorry to hear about your cousin. Our thoughts and prayers are with you and your family. I know you mentioned wanting workout attire, so I began with sending you some Sweaty Betty black performance leggings out of a lightweight fabric that wicks away sweat and dries fast. They're also comfortable, supportive with a flattering fit. Wear them with this sport top. It has a nice stretch to it. Can be layered with a gray performance jacket that they sent, or you can throw on this Layla Jade sweatshirt with these leggings and sneakers for that cool casual vibe you like. And for a night out, you'll love this Market and Spruce pullover paired with jeans and your favorite low ankle booty. Enjoy these pieces. I can't wait to hear what you think, Chelsea." Okay, so look at these. Ooh, I love the colors. So let's see. So if you've not watched my unboxings before, I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out, give you my first impression as well as how much they cost, and then we'll try it on and see what I really think. Because the thing is like I always say, is like things may look good or bad when you hold them up, and then you can change your mind once they're on. So let's see. First off, ooh, this is actually pretty nice. It has like a really stretchy like fabric to it, which is like so, it's not like a regular sweatshirt. That's so interesting. So this is the MPG Sport Noel Performance Jacket in light gray, and it's $88. So it's super cute actually. I do like it because it is definitely like a workout material. I mean, obviously I don't wear like hoodies when I work out, but I work out at 5:30 in the morning, so it's freezing when I get out. So I always like, and obviously when I go, so I always take a jacket with me. Next up, ooh, these are actually really a nice weight. These are the Sweaty Betty Power 7/8 Performance Leggings, and I wasn't sure how I would feel about Sweaty Betty. I've seen Sweaty Betty on Nordstrom.com, and these are the Power 7/8 Performance Leggings, and they are $105. That's a pretty penny. This is like Lululemon, and I actually love Lululemon, and I will pay for Lululemon, The funny part is I don't wear really Lululemon leggings to work out in, but they're like my everyday throw on weekend style. But these look really nice. I typically wear like Zella or Athleta, but I have Lululemon, so I'm not opposed to paying something like that if it's nice. It has a pocket in the back, which is nice to hold your phone if you're out and running. I do like the 7/8 length. The only thing is it kind of has this like where Zella and Lululemon have like their waistband and it's like seamless. There's no like elastic in it to kind of like crunch it in. It just provides like a really seamless like flat look. This I can feel has this like, I don't know what it is, but there's like a band right here inside this, and so sometimes I don't like the way that feels when I'm working out. I feel like it's a bit constricting. Okay, next up is this. Let me see. Market & Spruce Fallon Twist Back Plunging V. I have a sweater just like this. And so it's striped. And then the back is like this, super cute. I have a pink one like this from Nordstrom's that I have yet to wear actually. I should wear it. This is not really something I was looking for, but no, we'll try it out. Next up is this. This is actually really soft, and this is the, did I say how much this was? Probably not. Oh, this is 58 if I didn't say. Okay, and then the Layla Jade. This is the Quinn hooded knit top for 58. So here is, it's hooded. And then it's just like a throw over. Simple black. And it has a band on the top. It's really, really soft, but this is definitely not something that I could see myself using anytime soon. Gosh, I look super washed out. Sorry if I look washed out. Maybe that's a little bit better, a little further away. I was looking really washed out, so. Okay, and lastly is this. Oh, Hell's Bells. This is cute, but no, not me. This is the MPG Sport Jalia open knit top. Open back knit top. It's 34. Did I say that this was 58? The black hoodie was 58. Oh, you guys, I'm just not used to it. This could be super cute, like, but I'm just not big on the open back. Like, I don't think I have a back that looks good on open back. But again, you never know. So I'm gonna try these on and really see what I think. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this jacket on first, my MPG. It's actually really soft. It's really comfy. Here's the easy throw on. It's super like stretchy, which is kind of really nice to throw on, and it feels like really breathable. So this, you know, I don't know, we'll see. I feel like some of these feel like really overpriced for like what they are, which I don't know. That's cute though. I've seen any of them, they're zippy, so we'll see. Okay. This is the hoodie. Again, you guys, this isn't anything special, or I feel like, you know, it's cute, but nothing like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. It's just kind of the basic black, you know, thing. And that I have quite a bit of things like this. And like for the gym, I hate having to like put things off and on like over my head. To be quick, I like a zipper. So, and yeah, it's okay. So here is the striped sweater. This is the back, and then it's really like, I don't know if you can see it, like really open like this at the bottom. I have really my high Lululemons on, but I don't know, I can't see myself like with that big of a slit in the back really wanting to wear this or feeling comfortable. I actually really was having issues like the stripes and the lightweight of this. I'm just not sure about the back and being so open like that. That's just not comfortable to me. So okay, So last up, so here is the tank top. I'm not sure how I feel about the cut-in. Like, I'll push you down a little so you can kind of see. Like, the cut-in on that. I don't know. I might have tried it with a sports bra. And then here's the back. But I'm just not sure. I'm just not sure how comfortable I would be. And then I have the pants on. These are actually really, really good leggings. They like, I mean, she wasn't kidding when she said they're just like, kind of like hold you in. They're lightweight. They're so comfy. So, let me show you. These are them. They're a great length. They are a little big around my ankles because I'm short, so they're probably supposed to hit a little bit higher. But, oh my gosh, you guys, so good. There's the booty. They're high. They like that. Like, so cute. Like, really cute. I like them a lot, more than I thought. So, okay, so this is not going to be an easy decision, that's for sure. But what I typically do, if I remember, which I'm going to try to, is I leave down below like all of the description in case you want to, I leave all of the items in the description. So if you want to request any of these items from your stylist, you totally can. And then I put a little asterisk and let you know what I decided to keep. So I don't know, right now I'm really like leaning towards these leggings. So, all right, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you've not done so yet, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.